Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and staying safe at your home. Myself Kushmeet Kaur from 9th Standard of Amrit Indo-Canadian Academy. Today, in this video lecture, I am going to explain you about IST, that is Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time is the local time zone covered in India and Sri Lanka. So at first, a question arises that why do we need Indian Standard Time? The answer is here. India is a very big country since many meridians pass through it. So, it is important to adopt the local time of one central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country in order to maintain uniformity of time within the country. So, in our India, 82 degree 30 east longitude determines the standard time, and this is known as the Indian Standard Time. It passes through the city of Allahabad. IST is the official time for the whole of India and is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of UTC. UTC stands for Coordinating Universal Time. So are you wondering that why 5:30 is considered as time of set of IST? So let me tell you. As we move further from GMT, which stands for Greenwich Mean Time and is the Royal Observatory Time of Greenwich in London. So as if we move 1 degree from GMT towards east, then there is gap of 4 minutes. It means if we will move 1 degree ahead to east direction from GMT, then our time will increase by 4 minutes. But if we will move back 1 degree from west direction, then we will lag behind in time by 4 minutes. So here is the numerical for you all. That is 1 degree is equals to 4 minutes. So as you all know, 82 degree 30 east is standard meridian of India and is considered as Indian Standard Time. So we will multiply 82 degree 30 into 4 minutes. Then we will have 82 and a half into 4 minutes. Then we will convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction and we will get 82 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into 4. And further solving we will get 164 plus 1 divided by 2 into 4. Then we will get 165 by 2 into 4 and 4 would be cutted by 2 as 2 2s are 4. And we will get our answer as 330 minutes. And then further when we will convert 330 minutes into proper time, we will get 5 hours and 30 minutes. So this is the reason why we are 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead from GMT. Now, my friends, do you know that even in our India, we have an Indian Standard Time, but then also some states have different time zones? My dear friends, that is due to the longitudinal extents of India, and in India, that is 30 degree of longitudes. To find total time difference, we will multiply 30 degree into 4 minutes, and we will get 120 minutes as our answer. When we convert it into hours, we will get 2 hours. So as a result, there is a difference between the local time of some states. Like as Gujarat lies in the west direction and Arunachal Pradesh in the east, so there is difference of local time zone with 2 hours. I hope you all are clear with this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and take care.